What's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa lugar ni Kohen Khen. So ayan si Kohen Khen. Nakasalubong na natin. So napakaganda dahil ang suot ni Kohen Khen ay may clean na short.
Saludohan kita. Hey!
May clean na short at nakikita talaga yung legs ni Kohen Khen.
Kala mo hindi kita papatulan, ha?
Wow!
Diba?
Kamusta Kohen Khen? Kamusta?
Okay lang. Shalom.
Shalom!
Bababa ako dun sa baba.
Saan?
Doon yung mga green yan, malapit sa green.
Pupunta ka doon?
Oo,
Ay naku po, napakalayo yan.
dahil yung daling ko lang yung
Yung, ano yan Kohen?
yung pasalubong doon sa may-ari ng pato. Ikakatayin na yung pato eh.
Ganun tsaka tayo na.
Bigay ko lang to sa may-ari
Sige.
ng pato.
Oh, bati ka muna.
Sige, shalom mga ka-YouTubers, mga vloggers. Shalom, pagpapala sa inyo. I'm Kohen Khen, and excuse me for a while because I'll go to down there, the owner of the two ducks, to give something, because the ducks will be butchered either tomorrow or Saturday for the Passover.
Yada.
So, shalom.
Shalom. So ano yung dadalhin mo? Ano yan? Ano yan siya?
This is
Oh.
noodle,
Ah,
and this one.
regalo mo sa kanila? Wow.
Pasalubong lang.
Pasalubong, oh.
Yeah, this is gismak.
Gismak.
This is vinegar.
So maganda ba yan ang vinegar? Gispak?
Yes.
Dos por dos in kita.
And
Lucky me.
Lucky me.
Pancit Canton.
Pancit store.
Yun na.
In exchange for the two ducks.
Two
The
ducks.
Hindi mo naman ibibigay yun, eh.
When brought here, it was they were small, but now the ducks are big already. Good for lechon.
How much is
To be
it?
roasted.
How much it cost?
It was free
Free?
given
Wow.
to me. So I'll give something free also today.
So,
Shalom.
Shalom.
And wish you all biraka, blessings, peace, healing, miracles, signs and wonders to follow in you as we celebrate Passover, Pisak,
Pisak.
and Feast
Pisak.
of Unleavened Bread. This time. So these are Hebrew festivals.
Hebrew Festival, no?
Pisak, the Passover, and the Feast of the Unleavened Bread.
Unleavened
We
bread.
are ahead celebrating, because others are celebrating on April.
Mm.
And now we are celebrating ahead by months, a month or two.
Mm.
Yes. So shalom to everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh.